Take 5. It's day 5. All right, let's do this. We're starting on our backs. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Lay down onto that back and then exhale your legs long. Good. Reach your arms way up and over your head. And I want you to come up with one leg. So just come up and then lower. Come up and then lower. Now eventually we're going to put both those legs into the workout, but get started with single legs coming up and down. Good. Don't worry. I'm working out with you. I feel this. Good. One more on the right, one more on the left. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna take both legs up. Reach. Now that might feel impossible, so bend in would be a good option, or hands down, okay? 4 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, lay down on that back. Nice. All right, knees are bent at 90 degrees right here. I want you to exhale very slowly, drop them to the right, hover. Bring them up, drop them to the left, hover. Good, so start to fire up the sides of the body. Hover right, come through center, hover left. So really, really feel that hover. 1 more to the right. Good, 1 more to the left, then we're gonna drop them to the right, so come all the way up. Drop your knees to the right. Hands behind your head. 8, 7, 6, 5, obliques, 4, 3, 2, side dos. Come through center, pop it up and over. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't get that. Could you try?
Up. Sorry guys, yes, Siri just started talking to me. Good job. We got 3 minutes on this clock. You can do this. Good. Last 4, 3, 2, 1 more rep. Up. Good. Come back to center for me. Exhale, legs long, okay? Back to your V-ups. Arms up. Option 1. Option 2. Option 3. And then remember that 4th option. Ready? 4. So that was 4 reps. What have you done? 4 more. 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1 more. 1. Good. Lay down onto your back. Knees back to 90. Exhale, they go to the right again. Drop them. All right, now reach with your left arm. Pulses. So come up, up, up. So you want to crunch, crunch. Really dig into that oblique right here. Come on. 8, 7, 6. Fight through it. 5, 4, 3, 2, switch. So hips come up through center. We bump them over to the other side. Exhale, left hand, right hand. Let's go. Reach with the right and crunch, crunch, crunch. Good. 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Flip it on over, guys. Bring me to high plank, top of that push-up, all right? Almost done here. Shortly over a minute on the clock. Core is nice and tight. Engage the muscles in your stomach, pretty please here, and then walk those hands way out in front of you. So super plank. So see how far out my arms are, and my feet are way back, okay? So I'm trying to feel the length of my mat, and if you're tall, maybe even go further. 3, 2, and this should bring you right down to your forearms, okay? Walk your toes in just a little bit here. Exhale, walk your toes in more. So now your butt is in the air and your knees are bent. All right, chest comes forward. So we have these dolphin push-ups to the end. Just a few more seconds to go as the chest comes forward and back, guys, okay? So you're in that final descent of this workout, and I want you just to feel your body as you move. Now, by the way, if you're more comfortable doing this in tennis shoes, you're always welcome to wear tennis shoes. Otherwise, working with me here, generally I don't wear shoes if I'm on my yoga mat, which is what I'm teaching on. Last rep. Good. Knees down, you killed it. Woo! Day 5 of 31. Thanks for taking 5 with me, and I'll see you again soon. Good work, guys.